Hi, and welcome to Simple Logistics channel. So today we are going to discuss how packaging may affect your freight costs. The type of packaging that you choose will have a big effect on freight, especially goods that are lightweight. Most of the times you are going to pay the less than truckload or less than container load freight by the space, the amount of space that this material is going to occupy inside a container or inside a truck. A packaging that can make the product more dense will positively impact your freight costs, will reduce your freight costs. On the other hand, packaging that makes your product less dense, so you need more space to carry the same amount of product. This will increase your freight costs. So we'll discuss material and shape of the packaging materials of the packages in itself. So we have different materials to make packages. You can use aluminum, for example, for the cans. You can use paper. You can use plastic. You can use. There are several types of materials that you can use to create packaging. Overall, corrugated paper, for example, takes a lot of space. So the walls of the package are thicker. It's low cost. It's recycled. The material can be recycled. It's biodegradable. So it's a very good package in most aspects. But as with everything else in life, this is a trade-off. So some materials you can use thinner packaging walls, so you can make your product for transport more dense. You can carry the same amount of product in less space and pay less freight. Plastic, for example, can allow that, but on the other hand, it's not biodegradable. It's hard to recycle and so forth. Another thing that you can do is change the shape of the packages. So you increase the product density. And so what's the shapes that we can change to make a product more efficient for transport? So I'll give you two examples. So lots of products have rounded cans or rounded packages overall. This is good for the manufacturer. This is a metal packaging. It's a can. And so metal is kind of expensive material. So they want to make the shape round because it's the shape that uses less amount of packaging material. And it will make it lightweight also. So this is lighter. This is less expensive. It uses less packaging material, but it's not dense enough. When you nest a bunch of these together, you'll see that there is a lot of space, empty space between them. This empty space between the cans is a waste during transportation. You're transporting air where you could be transporting product. So for transport, when we are talking about transport, the best shape for the packages is like this. This is the best shape of a package for transport. These are different products, so you can compare both. is a heavier, denser a product. It requires the metal can, and as I mentioned, the packaging material is kind of expensive, so they opted for the round shape to save on packaging material. This is a very lightweight product. Those are tea bags inside. So it's a lightweight product. You can pile them up by, you know, ceiling height, and they are not really heavy. So the packaging material doesn't have to be really strong or reinforced. You can use really a simple paper packaging. It's a hard paper, but actually just paper, not very, not particular thick, and you have also a plastic film on the outside just to avoid humidity going in. And this is enough for this product. And so as the product inside is very lightweight, they decided to make the package square, you know, like a cube on the 3 dimensions. And this allows for perfect nesting inside a cardboard box. So you can fit, I don't know, maybe 100 of these inside of a cardboard box, and you'll see that there is really not a lot of space between one box of tea and the other. So you can make them pretty dense considering the space. You can put really a lot of those boxes nested together, and these will make them pretty efficient for transport. So this is something you can consider for your own products. Are you using the correct material for the package? Are you using the correct shape, the best shape to reach, you know, the best point, the best trade-off between packaging costs and freight costs? So maybe it's worth taking a look at your package and see if you are using the correct combination of material and shape. Okay, so this was my tip for today. Thank you very much for following the channel. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel. We count on you guys. Thank you. Bye.